channel, my name is Eric, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your airco adapter fit your square window. Now, as always, we're going to do this simple and easy, cheap and easy, fast and easy, whatever. You need two things: a cutter knife and some sort of measuring tape. Then you need to go to the store after you measured your window and buy yourself a piece of insulation board. This is used normally for roofing, the shed, the floor, and get as many as you need. These are provided with a groove, so you can attach multiple together. Although if you got a really big window, I would suggest you get a big piece of concrete plywood and go with an insulation cover around the edges that is meant for insulating tubing for waterworks and things like that. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Start off by measuring the deepest point of your window all the way up to the highest point in your window, and then do the same for the width. So I will close one window. I'm going to measure from here all the way to here. So as soon as you know what the size of your window is, you can mark it on the insulation board and cut the excess off. This should cut very easily. And as soon as you are deep enough, this should be fairly easy to break. I'm going to do the other edge and I'll be back afterwards. So now I'm going to cut out the part where the locking mechanism is supposed to be. And when you do this, it's better to cut off the thing in a few times than to try to do it at once and cut way too much off. So afterwards you did all the cutouts needed. It could be that the size of board is too thick for your window. So then you have to cut a piece off. And the greatest thing is you don't have to do it straight. You can go at an angle, like this. So I made up all the cutouts, put an edge to the border. I put all the spaces. I cut out all the spaces needed for the locking mechanism. So as you can see, it fits pretty well. The only thing is, there's a bit of air you can see, but that is because if I close my window, squeeze a little bit, the problem solves itself. So the last part, and the most important part maybe, is to make sure this thing fits. So I will place it on the board. So take your time to cut this thing out, and you are done. There you go. Now it's time to install it to the window and we're done. So after you install this for a few times, this thing will break in and it will go a lot smoother. But for now, yeah, just needs a slight push. So a piece of string attached keeps the door shut, keeps it sealed all the way up, down, left. And on the right side I just used a piece of paper tape. This will come off, won't leave any marks. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I wish you all a cool summer, and I will see you in the next video.